Biggest surprise of 2024. Global Ultima car program restart coming back. More than 1,000 cars delivered worldwide. Asia, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, UAE, UK, Norway. Fully paid by Ultima with 50% cashback. Unbelievable. You can expect right this. Global Ultima Car program is scheduled for the 1st of March 2024 and February 1st is when the pre-registration starts. Be ready to drive your brand new car. You will get your contract immediately. You will get your key. And your car.
This is really happened to me. Yeah! Woo!
Join our Telegram channels to find out more. Car program from Ultima. The future is already here.
I cannot believe it.
Amazing.
The best day in my life.
Just got the new Lambo Urus, baby.
Deze gebruiken jullie niet. Dat is alles dank Ultima.